Good morning, everybody. On site this morning. My dad's over there setting up the form boards for the footing. He's working on layout this morning and setting all those form boards up. I was here yesterday and I dug the foundation hole for everything for the footings. So we're gonna hopefully get that poured this afternoon. I'm gonna help him pour that. I got to jump on the excavator this morning, come over here. We got a little bit left to cut out here, and I'm gonna finish moving this sand pile over. And then we're gonna leave a spot in the wall right over here for the concrete truck to pull in so we can shoot this back wall, and then we'll have the concrete truck back out, and while he's pouring, we'll quickly dig that last section out and form it in real quick before he leaves to pour it. But all in all, it went pretty good yesterday. We were able to get all this done. We pulled like 5 stumps along the back here, got rid of them, and then built this up along the tank, and then we were able to throw all the spoils from this footing on the outside, so it made it nice, get everything up out of our way. So we got a little bit left to do this morning, but shouldn't take too long. Should go pretty good. First thing we're gonna do is dig out this last wall part right here and get that kind of situated, this piece right out here. But I want to move this sand pile first and get that knocked back a little more. Alright, now it's the time to dig the last part of this footing out. Try to attempt to cross this trench. It's a little bit sugary sand here, so stuff doesn't really like to hold up very well, but we're gonna give it a whirl. Alright, we're getting things formed up for the footings. We got quite a bit of them done. We're working on this second to last wall right now. I just got a little bit of dirt I got to get cleaned out of this trench here, so we can get our forms up in this trench and try to get some of this dirt off the top here. We just got the all the foundation or the footing forms in. Now I'm just going to take some of this dirt and spread it out through the center of this, trying to get it knocked down and leveled out closer to grade. That way the concrete truck can kind of pull in here. With the excavator, and then I'll take the skid steer and kind of fine tune everything. Well, footings are in and poured. Took us about, I don't know, a little over 50 minutes to an hour. And got them all in. Gonna start laying block hopefully tomorrow. Just on the excavator, I'm going to start cleaning up these piles a little bit, and then we're going to get ready to start backfilling this. I got a little bit inside of the foundation already, and I was able to pack in about 2 feet already on the inside and get a little bit of dirt on the outside. Then we'll finish it up here this afternoon.